Hi, welcome again to Siegel Law Firm. So it's been a little over 2 years already since we embarked on our mission to serve our clients with extreme attention while getting huge results. I am so proud of what's been accomplished so far in both of those areas, with record-setting verdicts and many lives being changed. If you want to really know what Siegel Law Firm is all about, please take a minute to look at our core values that are posted on our website. I wanted to post a new video now because I'm still so surprised to hear that most people do not really know the basics behind a personal injury action, and even more surprising, they are not pursuing valid cases because of the worst misconception out there, that they cannot afford to pay for a lawyer. This video is a reminder that everybody needs to pay attention to. It is still so shocking that a vast majority of people still do not understand that if you are hurt or seriously injured as the result of the actions of another person or a company, like a car accident or a construction accident, and you need to hire an attorney to represent you, then there will be absolutely no out-of-pocket cost for your initial consultation and even for the handling of the entire case. This also includes all of the costs and expenses of the lawsuit, which the lawyer will pay out of pocket, not the client. This is what's commonly called the no-fee promise. And not knowing this is not anybody's fault, because most of us grow up with the idea that if you need a lawyer, it's going to be an expensive proposition. But I think no matter how many times someone unfamiliar with this legal world hears about the no-fee promise, even if it's genuinely conveyed by an attorney such as myself, it's hard for most people to understand or grasp, and it's because they don't know the reason why. In this video, I want to explain to you why this exists so that you understand it and you can explain it to other people who are hesitant to go forward with an injury lawsuit because they don't think they can afford the cost of their lawyer. So, the reason that there is no out-of-pocket cost in pursuing a personal injury lawsuit is because, generally speaking, us lawyers and all the lawyers that have come before us have worked on basically all types of cases that can come our way. So we essentially know when we can typically expect to win a case based on the law. And we also generally know, based on the injuries, the insurance policy at play, and certain other variables, what the general monetary value of the case is. Now, that's not to say that each case is not unique, because they are. I'm talking very generally about the types of cases. Especially here at Siegel Law Firm, even if it's a new type of case, we will do all the research necessary to make sure that if we take on a case, it's a viable, winnable case under the law. And so that is the reason that we can advance the costs of a litigation, such as the filing fees and the expert fees, which can often be in the tens of thousands of dollars for a case. And that is why we're all so comfortable by taking what's called a contingency fee, which means we will not get paid unless we recover for our client. Again, because we know the law and we know that we will likely eventually recover for our clients. We could not and would not constantly be investing money into cases that are long shots. We would go out of business. And although I could stop there, I want to take a step back for a second and explain that the law provides for money damages, because as much as we and our clients would desperately want to go back in time and take back what happened to them, we can't do that. We can't make them not hurt anymore. We can't unring that bell. And so for that reason, the law provides for money damages as a remedy, because it's the only option we have to compensate the person for what has been taken from them, typically their health and their freedom to live as they would choose. And that is why it pains me so much at every trial to hear the insurance company's lawyers, because that's who's paying at the end of the day in about 99% of these cases, it's their insurance company. When I hear their lawyers say, oh, this lawsuit is just a money grab. If you're ever on a jury and you hear an insurance company's defense lawyer tell you that you should automatically not believe a plaintiff because she's suing for money, just know that that's almost never the case. In fact, that is the injured person's only option. A case that has no merit under the law, that is a money grab, would have been tossed out of court well before a trial. And again, to circle back, that is why we don't take cases that we know we cannot win under the law, because all of the money we advance would be lost. This money grab argument is simply a low-hanging fruit made without any real thought, because quite frankly, there's nothing else that they can say, and it's designed simply to get the jurors to forget about the facts and the evidence and forget about everything that was taken from the plaintiff, and instead to focus on what the insurance company has to pay. The insurance company has these funds, by the way, because all of their insureds, like you and I, have been paying their premiums for this protection from them. It's not even their money. And so at Siegel Law Firm, we stand by our cases. We stand by every single one of our clients. We are not suing people or companies in the hope that maybe we can get them to pay one day. We are seeking justice that the law of our great country and the states that we sue in provide for. And that's why we, the plaintiffs' bar, tell all of our clients, you do not need to pay out of pocket for any of the legal fees or the expenses, because under the law, if the judge and the jury follow it, you are entitled to a recovery. So one more time, if you or someone you love has been injured, get a consultation and move forward with the case if you have one. You don't need to be rich as you once thought. Please share this video with anyone you think needs to know. It's time to end this confusion, and it's time to get justice for every single person who deserves it. Thank you very much.